Welcome to Tech Vibe, where innovation meets performance, and every review brings you closer to the next evolution in technology. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most talked about handheld gaming consoles of 2025, the Lenovo Legion Go Gen 2. If you thought the first Legion Go was impressive, this new version might just redefine what a portable gaming PC can be. Stick around, because this one's packed with power, precision, and some surprising new upgrades that could make it the king of handhelds this year. So, what makes the Legion Go Gen 2 such a big deal? Imagine holding desktop-level performance in your hands, a machine that doesn't just run games, but dominates them all while being portable enough to slip into your backpack. That's exactly what Lenovo is going for, and from what we've seen so far, it looks like they've nailed it. Let's start with what's inside. The 2025 Lenovo Legion Go Gen 2 is powered by AMD's brand new Ryzen Z2 Extreme APU, built on the latest Zen 5 architecture with integrated RDNA 3.5 graphics. This means higher efficiency, faster performance, and much smoother gameplay compared to the original model. You can configure it with up to 32 GB of LPDDR5X RAM running at 7,500 MHz and storage options up to 2 TB PCIe Gen 5 SSD, giving lightning-fast load times and seamless multitasking. It's clear Lenovo designed this device for serious gamers and creators who don't want compromise. In terms of design and build, Lenovo has refined nearly every detail. The Legion Go Gen 2 maintains its modular form factor, with detachable controllers that can also be used wirelessly, similar to what we saw on the first model, but with better ergonomics this time. The grips are slightly curved, the joysticks feel sturdier, and the new Hall effect sensors prevent drift, a huge improvement for long-term reliability. The matte aluminum frame feels premium and solid, while the back vents are larger to improve airflow. There's even a customizable RGB ring around the joysticks for that extra gaming flair. The built-in kickstand has been reinforced with a stronger hinge, so it now holds steady even at wide angles. And while it's slightly heavier than the first version at around 920 grams, the balance feels better when holding it for extended periods. Lenovo has clearly paid attention to comfort, durability, and aesthetics. Now let's talk about the display, which is a major upgrade this year. The Legion Go Gen 2 features an 8.8-inch OLED touchscreen with a 2560 by 1600 resolution, 144 Hz refresh rate, and VRR, variable refresh rate, support. The OLED panel delivers deeper blacks, higher contrast, and incredibly vibrant colors. It's easily one of the best displays in any handheld gaming device right now. Whether you're exploring dark environments in Cyberpunk 2077 or watching HDR movies on Netflix, the visuals pop with stunning clarity and fluidity. Performance-wise, the new Ryzen Z2 Extreme chip makes a world of difference. Games that once struggled to maintain consistent frame rates now run beautifully smooth. In benchmarks and real-world testing, titles like Cyberpunk 2077, Hogwarts Legacy, and Forza Horizon 5 can hit over 60 FPS on high settings, and even reach 100 FPS at medium settings thanks to the combination of efficient cooling and AMD's smart scaling technology. The Legion Space software automatically adjusts performance profiles, balancing power and thermals intelligently. Speaking of cooling, Lenovo introduced a new dual-fan vapor chamber design that keeps the internals cool under load. It's quieter than before, with a more consistent fan curve. The temperature rarely crosses 75 degrees Celsius even during intense gaming sessions, a remarkable feat for such a compact device. When it comes to software and features, Lenovo continues to use its Legion Space interface, but this time it's far more polished. The new UI allows faster access to games, settings, and custom performance modes. You can switch between eco, balanced, and turbo with a single tap, or manually tweak GPU wattage and refresh rates. Another highlight is support for Microsoft's upcoming handheld gaming mode in Windows 11, offering a console-like interface for smoother navigation using the controllers. You also get AI-enhanced fan optimization, Wi-Fi sense for priority bandwidth, and customizable RGB lighting zones across the controllers. The device boots incredibly fast, under 10 seconds, and wakes instantly from sleep. Lenovo's software is finally catching up to the hardware, giving the Legion Go Gen 2 a much smoother overall experience. Battery life is one of the biggest upgrades. The Gen 2 packs a 74 Wh battery, up from 49 Wh in the previous version. That's nearly a 50% increase. Thanks to AMD's efficiency improvements and OLED panel power savings, you can now expect up to 8 hours of casual use or 3.5 to 5 hours of demanding gaming. It also supports Super Rapid Charge 2.0, delivering 70% charge in just 30 minutes through the 100W USB-C PD adapter. You can even play while charging without significant heat buildup, thanks to Lenovo's new thermal isolation design. When it comes to gaming or creative performance, this device shines in both areas. For gamers, you get the flexibility to run AAA titles, emulators, and indie games with desktop-level graphics quality. The AMD RDNA 3.5 GPU provides smoother frame pacing, better FSR upscaling, and more consistent performance than last year's model. For creators, the Legion Go Gen 2 doubles as a portable workstation, handling 4K video editing, 3D modeling, and photo retouching with ease. Connect it to an external display, and it transforms into a compact creative powerhouse. The speakers and audio setup is surprisingly good too. Lenovo has added dual front-facing speakers with Dolby Atmos support, offering a wider soundstage and deeper bass than before. The clarity in voices and sound effects during games is impressive. The built-in microphones also feature AI noise cancellation for clear communication during online matches or video calls. On the connectivity front, the Legion Go Gen 2 leaves nothing behind. It includes dual USB 4 Type-C ports, a microSD slot, 3.5mm headphone jack, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, and a fingerprint power button for secure logins. The dual USB ports mean you can charge and connect peripherals at the same time, a small but important convenience. It also supports external GPU docks, turning it into a full-blown gaming rig if you want more graphical power. As for price and value, the base configuration with the Ryzen Z2 chip and 1TB SSD is expected to start around $999, while the top-tier Ryzen Z2 Extreme model with 32GB RAM and 2TB SSD could reach $1,299. That's a fair price considering the OLED display, huge battery, and performance improvements. Compared to its competition, the Steam Deck OLED and the ROG Ally X, the Legion Go Gen 2 is shaping up as one of the most balanced premium handhelds you can buy in 2025. Of course, no device is perfect. Among the pros, you have incredible performance, premium design, longer battery life, gorgeous OLED display, and versatile connectivity. On the cons side, it's still heavier than competitors, and while cooling is improved, it can get warm under sustained turbo mode. Also, at nearly $1,300 for the top model, it's not exactly budget-friendly. But that's the trade-off for premium power. So, what's the final verdict? The Lenovo Legion Go Gen 2 doesn't just improve upon its predecessor, it elevates the entire handheld category. It's faster, sleeker, cooler, and smarter in every sense. Lenovo has listened to feedback and delivered a product that feels refined, powerful, and future-ready. Whether you're a gamer wanting portability without compromise or a creator looking for a versatile performance machine, this device hits that sweet spot perfectly. The 2025 Legion Go Gen 2 is proof that handheld gaming PCs are no longer a niche, they're the future. And Lenovo just took a massive leap forward. Thanks for watching Tech Vibe, your go-to source for honest, in-depth tech reviews. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss the next innovation update. Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and keep vibing with Tech Vibe.